You've seen this guy, maybe 100 times. He's got the watch, the car, the seven-figure mindset, and he really, really wants to teach you how to get rich for just $997. But here's the thing nobody tells you. That Lamborghini? Rented. That penthouse? Borrowed for the shoot. And that course? It might be the only thing making him any money at all. Today, we're going inside the get-rich guru industry. And trust me, it's weirder than you think. This isn't new. Back in the 1980s, late-night TV was full of guys selling wealth secrets, real estate flips, cassette tape courses, 1-800 numbers. The product was always the same: hope packaged as information. Then the internet arrived, and suddenly anyone could be a guru. No publisher needed, no TV deal, just a camera, a Canva thumbnail, and a story about going from broke to millions. By 2023, the online education market hit $350 billion, and a huge chunk of that was personal finance and entrepreneurship courses. Millions of people, probably people like you, are buying these courses every year. So what are they actually getting? Let's talk about what gurus actually sell. Step 1, build an audience. Post content, go viral, build trust. Step 2, sell a course. Doesn't matter what it's about. Dropshipping, NFTs, real estate, mindset. Step 3, and this is the key part, the course teaches you to sell courses. This is called multi-level logic. The only people reliably making money are the people selling the idea of making money. A 2022 study looked at 30 top financial influencers. Only 3 could prove income from the thing they were teaching. The other 27, their main income was the course itself. And here's where the psychology comes in. Gurus are really good at one thing: making you feel like the problem is you. Didn't get results? You didn't hustle hard enough. Didn't make money? You had a broke mindset. They sold you the map, but the map was always wrong. But cracks are starting to show. In 2023, the FTC cracked down on several influencer-run wealth programs for fake income claims. One guru claimed to make $100K a month from passive income, but when investigators looked at his bank account, he made most of it only in the month he launched the course. Here's what real wealth building actually looks like: boring, slow, unsexy. Index funds, skills, time. No countdown timer, no $997 course, just math working quietly in the background, growing steadily like compound interest, with no Lamborghini in sight. So next time you see a guy on a yacht telling you he wants to share his secrets, ask yourself one question. If this is so profitable, why does he need to sell it to you? Real wealth builders are usually too busy building wealth to make a 45-minute YouTube ad about it. The guru's product isn't knowledge. You are the product. If this video saved you $997, subscribe, because next week we're going after something even bigger. See you then.